Here's how to install the ERA100 Wall Mount. First, let's check the included accessories. 2 wall anchors, 2 wall screws, 1 speaker screw, 2 screw covers, and an Allen key. Here are the tools needed for this job. Now let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the spirit level to check the wall mount's alignment. Then mark the screw holes as preparations for drilling. This is how to drill on different wall types, from drywall, wood stud plyboard, and concrete wall. You may pause the video at any point to better understand how to drill your wall. Now let's proceed with attaching the speaker to the wall mount in an upright position. First, place the power cable in position on the wall mount. Next, secure the wall mount to the wall with the provided wall screws. Then, cover the wall screws with the provided screw caps. Attach the speaker to the power cable, then put it on top of the wall mount. You can rotate the speaker at this point to your preferred angle. Lastly, lock the speaker in place using the provided speaker screw. You can also install the wall mount upside down. Here's how. Start by securing the wall mount upside down with the provided wall screws. Next, cover the wall screws with the provided screw caps. Then attach the speaker to the power cable. Then rotate the speaker to your preferred angle. Lastly, lock the speaker in place using the provided screw. Follow the same process for horizontal mounting as follows. First, place the wall mount horizontally and mark the holes for drilling. Then, insert the wall anchors for concrete wall and drywall after drilling. Next, lock the wall mount in place with the provided wall screws. Then, cover the screws with the provided screw caps. Lastly, secure the speaker to the wall mount with the provided screw. This wall mount allows the speaker to swivel 90 degrees in either direction.